I hope she don't leave, I broke all the rings. Like a pig, I got cheese and a whole lot of cake. Shawty curved me, I remember that day. And now she want me, but like fast, she gon' wait. Rock double GG like I had a good game. Poppin' my shit, I don't know who to blame. That's my ex.
GT fam, man, welcome to a new video, man. So today I'm headed over to my boy Soup House to ride some trails I never been to. Y'all see these helmets right here? And that bit load up in the back of that truck. Didn't know we finna hit them trails, man. I told you I'm gonna bring more trail riding, dirt riding videos for y'all this summer. Hopefully, my boy YZ125, baby. Make sure y'all click the link in the description. Go check out his channel, man, and Huck It Films, dog. They got like a buttery vlog type YouTube, man, and I rock with it the most way, man. They're actually doing their thing over there, dropping every Thursday. So YZ125, baby, on his grind too, man. So make sure y'all go hit that link in the description, man, and go support the homies. I got big things coming after my daughter's birthday. It's crazy to me, bro. I really about to have a 1-year-old on Friday, bro. It felt like I just had her last month, bro. And it's crazy how time is flying, man. And that's why I'm gonna keep going hard, keep going crazy, bro, because this is what I love to do, man. I just want to continue to create content for y'all, because you never know when our time is coming, bro. And I appreciate every single one of y'all, man, who tap in on every video. Even the ones who don't tap in on every video, man, I still appreciate y'all. It's a blessing just to have y'all in my corner, dog. Make sure y'all follow me on the gram, follow me on TikTok. Make sure y'all like the video. Y'all know liking this video takes this video to the next level. I'm gonna see y'all when we get there. Oh yes, sir. Y'all already know what time it is. Got this bro out here. Stone Mountain Moto. Make sure y'all go subscribe to their channel too, man. Everything will be linked down below. Got that boy Goop out there, man. You should have kept the other shirt on, bro. Should have kept the other shirt on. Hell no. That motherfucker soggy.
Finished in your bag?
Yeah, what happened?
Shit, the mount came off again.
Peanut, why you leave me? You ain't making shit no better, nigga. Pop a nigga, holla, we ain't do it and we ain't scared of niggas. The world ain't got no peace and I'm an artist, keep my metal, nigga. Shit here up for life and I'ma rep up one forever, nigga. Feeling like I'm Luca, I'ma grind until the sun up. When I was up, I was thinking, damn, we can't come. That's why we go for it all, we don't give a fuck about summer. And if it was
keep going. You good? Huck Your Films, man. Make sure y'all subscribe to them. What's up, bro? You good? Look at them boys. Why you killing that boy like that, man? This is my boy Soup, Huck Your Films. Why you killing that girl like that?
I don't know.
You getting smacked by a 400.
No, I killed that thing.
No.
I like that. I ain't playing like that. You know I like that. You know how it comes.
Cause he has a recluse clutch. He in first gear right now, bro. He's in first gear right now, y'all. That's crazy. Look at that. Yo, it ain't stalled out. That's crazy. Yeah. That's because it's a recluse?
Yeah, recluse.
You good?
Yeah, dude. We went in that dust.
Yeah.
I went in there and slid out from under me.
You just failed.
No, I almost, my leg went up underneath the bike.
Oh, okay.
It went numb. I was like, oh, I just fucking broke it.
You broke it?
No, I'm good.
Oh. Now I just hit my nuts. Look at them boys.
Hey, you can't catch.
Hey.
You can't catch that nigga, boy.
Yes, sir.
Y'all swollen.
Damn, you good?
Yeah.
It hurt?
I can't really feel it.
You should be good, bro.
No, I'm good. I'm good.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I didn't expect it to get swollen so fast.
Hey, you flying on a little pit bike.
What y'all about to do at Lanier?
We got like boats and jet skis and stuff. Pretty nice.
Safe out there. I already know y'all know the stories and shit.
Oh yeah, we grew up there, and it's like it's almost like every weekend. I think last year it was like every weekend someone was dying.
That shit that big or?
Oh yeah, it's huge. Most of it's like boating accidents, and then you got like the people who jump off their docks, no life jacket, because they're like 2 stories, so it's like 20-foot drop. And they'll go down and not come back up. Get caught up in the trees and stuff. Hey, was that one dock that fell over? Was that on Narco?
It went viral?
Yeah, there was like 40, 50 people
Yeah.
on it and the dock flipped
Yeah,
over.
bro, so they never come back up.
When you disappear, they can't find you.
Still think his body's up under there?
Oh yeah, there's a ton.
It's gonna be hard as hell.
Most of the time, like not 80% of the time, they don't get a body.
That's scary, bro. Too good, boy. Oh God. I like Vaughn. I like Vaughn. I like Vaughn. He's too easy. You good? You good?
Hey, he want his lit back. Come on, let's do it, nigga. Fuck all that talking, let's do it.
How many laps they got?
3 laps.
3?
3 laps.
This trying to take the inside.
What to you? You gonna nod? Nod? Oh, I'm demonstrating. Come on, you gonna nod first.
Woo!
Like I told you. Like I fucking told you. Like I told you. Like I told you. Like I told you. Like I fucking told you. The race is fucking done.
Hey, that boy Vaughn hauling ass, boy.
I said the race is done, right?
The race done?
The race is fucking done.
Woo! Oh, he on your ass. Yeah, make sure I go subscribe to my boy Stone Mountain Moto, man. They're thirsty. Oh, he in front. Oh!
He fucked up. He fucked up, nigga. Run that
No!
Run that money now.
No!
Run that money, nigga.
Off the Cheetos? What happened?
That's all right there. Y'all know what it is.
That game.
Y'all ain't stupid.
You won.
You won. Y'all ain't stupid.
No, finish line was right here. Now I ain't gonna let you call
Dude, he
this.
won. Chill.
I like it though. He had you. He had you though.
You got me at the end.
He had you.
It's 3 laps.
Bro, when I was at egg, he got me on the end. That nigga was playing pussy with me over there. I love to have it. That nigga wasn't backing off.
He was gonna beat you if he ain't fuck up just now. Let go and just stop.
Yeah, he would have, but I stayed in it.
You won by the grace of God.
Yeah, he won by the grace of God, but what was going on?
You dug this nigga out 2.5 laps.
I ain't gonna, bro, that ain't
This nigga cut you for the last 5
He
seconds.
dubbed me.
Not dub, but like he had you the whole race.
When you come out that one corner and you going on the last spin, you know how it's the 2 trees? That's where he got me. We're literally like this, but I'm like,
Who took
all right,
that
kid.
turn? Who took that turn? I'm talking.
We were both on the same time.
Woo! I on that 2022 motherfucker. This for you, Tony. So my hands cramping up so bad already.
That what my shit was doing.
God damn. This bitch so buttery though. Little bit, get up, boy. I ain't even gonna care. I ain't gonna lie, Tony. This little thing hit. Hey, I like this bit. I like this bit. Oh God, this bit is smooth as hell.
He started to feel it.
This bit, it did my hand, bro.
My shit was perfect.
Damn, that's my first time riding the 22. Let's go, Mike. You ready? Appreciate it, bro. Ain't gonna lie, bro. I might consider getting a two-stroke now, bro.
Real.
What? That thing is butter. You don't feel no bumps, no nothing, bro.
Every time you hit it's ready to go.
Yes, bro. That shit is there, bro. My boy got him one, boy. That thing, him. That right there is maybe consider I might get a two-stroke, bro. I love and appreciate every single one of y'all. And make sure y'all subscribe to Hooky Films, YZ125, baby, and Stone Mountain Motor, man. I love y'all.
We gon' rock in it, bitch. On some bullshit like Tor, but gloss in it, bitch. Nigga think they the plug till this psychic get hit. Put my foot in the hole, I be socking the bitch. I got more